Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree in Mount Laurel and check out what spring and Easter stuff they have. So let's get to it. Okay, so we come in. They have all these fun different eggs. These giant ones are really fun for the Easter egg hunts. Look at these cute, adorable socks. Love it. They have some of the baskets here, and I'll go over to the wall with the decor. Look at the window clings. I really think this one is cute. I like that one. Mr. and Mrs. Bunny. They have the trucks, the welcome sign. They have some of these bunnies. I used these last year for some crafts. Some giant eggs. They even have these little mats. They're really thin though, but kind of cute for in front of your stove or your sink. These are really cute signs. More wooden ones. And they have little ones. They're like garland. Welcome sign. And these are cute. I've seen wreaths made with those. They have all the different color flowers. Behind me we have some of the candy and the little stuffed animals. Easter eggs. These are new. I haven't seen these ones. So these are like a little egg. These ones have Smarties. They have Mike and Ike's and Warheads. They have these little dinosaurs that have an egg surprise inside. I got the trolley gummies. And we got some Cold Stone cake batter popcorn. That looks delicious. Some popcorn. My favorite Reese's. So they have a 4-pack of Reese's eggs. They have some Peeps here. They have sour watermelon, cotton candy, and jelly beans. They have a few St. Patrick's Day items here. So they have scarves, a little pot of gold, the gold coins, some fun socks. These are fun decor. These little pom-pom craft kits. Over here we have some of the eggs to make some decor. Pom-poms. This is garland. The bunny one. This is garland as well. They have the wooden ones that you can paint. And they have little peep lights. Look how cute these are. These are new. I haven't seen these before. Also getting out your gardening for $1 here. They have all these different ones. Flowers, veggies. And then we have the painting stuff that my kids love to do all the time. Look at these big carrots. These are cute. And some more little yarn craft kits. Carrot decor. If you're decorating the tree, they have the little egg ornaments. Looks like they have these little trees. They're different colors. These are really cute. They have the little bunny feet. Some more eggs, bigger carrots. They have the cute little bunny butt. Another craft. More of those little bunnies I told you I made crafts with last year. They have little decorations to paint with your kids. A lot of different ribbon if you want to make some wreaths. Cute little bunnies. There's a tricky one. There's a little stone for your garden. More of the garland. And I'm sorry for the crafting. And they do have a little bunny one. So this is really cute too. Easter egg. Over here we have the coloring books. These cute little Easter books. Springtime. This one has little stickers to make their face. Little bunnies. They have the Easter dots. Chocolate bunnies. They have a Fruity Pebble one. Warheads. They have a little pack of cotton candy. Some ring pops. They have the big chew gum, grass gum. Lego. More chocolate bunnies, cookies and cream, Sour Patch Kids, Haribo. They have these little packets of chocolates. These are really cute. They have ring pops, pink ones. And the little blow pop minis. We have Krabby Patties and watermelon fruities. And they have Peeps marshmallow cotton candy as well. Over here are some of the buckets they have. This one's really cute. They have these ones that have like the little flower and bow ribbon on them. There's some basket fillers or party supplies. This one's for your deviled eggs or dyeing eggs. This is really cute. I got this disc flying carrot, some notepads, some pencils and erasers, little bunnies. These are cute for class gifts. It's a little Peeps Play-Doh set. We have the glitter bunny ears. The tie-dye ones. These ones are cute. This one has a little bunny with the carrot. And these little gift bags are really adorable too. There's a lot of different stuff to choose from. And we have these to make some candy bouquets. They're really fun. We have some shapes and flashcard games. We have some sidewalk chalk, chutes and ladders, jump rope, little chalks, Play-Doh. We have these little glow stick jewelry, some putty, bubbles are a big hit. These little tins with the puzzles. Little superheroes. These are cute. Bugs Bunny. Little Rubik's Cube. So a lot of different stuff that you can fill the stocking with or give prizes if you're doing an Easter egg hunt. Really cute stuff. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video. I just wanted to show you some things that I purchased. I got the bunny one to make a wreath because there was only a couple left. This cute little gnome socks. This little candy dispenser. This big egg bunny that I'm going to do something with. And on the way out I found this cool pen. It has all these different colors. So I thought that was cute. And these little burlap bags, the bunny ears, and the dollhouse. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and have a great day.